Okay, let's do some speed math here. Okay, let's do some tricks. Okay, suppose you are asked to multiply or square a number that ends in a 5. Okay, like 15 times 15. In other words, if you have a square and you're asked to find the area, okay, what's the quickest way of doing it? I know you can do this, okay, but it's a quick way of doing it is, okay, so you see this digit here, okay, the digit before the 5, or in this case, the digit in the tens place, it's 1, right? Okay, you're going to multiply it by the number that comes after 1 in counting, which is 2. Okay, so you take that, multiply by 2 is 2. You add 25 to it. It's 225. Use a calculator to check. So 15 times 15 equals 225. What did I do? I looked at this position here. I took it and I multiplied it by the number that comes next to it when you're counting. That number is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. I just added 25 to it. It's 225 is my answer. Okay, so what about 25 times 25? Okay, first use your calculator to check. What am I going to do? Okay, I look at this number here, 2. What am I going to multiply it with? It by. It's 2. What number comes after 2 when you're counting? It's 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, after I do that, I just put 25 next to it. 625 is my answer. Okay, so what do you think 35 times 35 is? Use your calculator to check. And it should be, you take this number 3, you're going to multiply by what? 4. What do you get? 12. Put 25 here. 1225 is your answer. That's 35 times 35. Okay. So you just try 45 times 45, by the way, is the same as writing 45 squared. It's just the number times itself. And then 55 times 55 all the way. Okay, try that. Next, how do you multiply a number by 11? Okay, so 36 times 11, you take these two digits, 3 and 6. Okay, so you say 3 plus 6 is 9, right? And then you put it in the middle. So it is 396. See that? I added two digits. And then I put it in the middle. Okay, so try what? 18 times 11. What am I going to do? Okay, don't look at the 11. Don't look at the 11. Look at this number here. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then that's what goes in the middle of the 8 and 1. So it should be 198. Okay, so you can try like 44 times 11. Don't look at this number, just this. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Put in the middle. 484 is your answer. Got it? What about, try these two. What about 11 times 19? Okay, so you have 11 times 19. Say, don't look at the 11. 11 times 19. What do you do? 1 plus 9 is what? 10. So what are you going to do? Are you going to put the 10 in the middle of, okay, you have a problem. If you use your calculator to check, this is not the answer. Okay, so what do you do when you add the two digits and it goes above 9? It's 10 or more. Okay, so what you do is this 1 here, you add the 1 to this, becomes 2. So it's this 1 plus this 1 becomes 2, and then the 0 and the 9. Okay, try 11 times 29. What are you going to do? Forget about this. These two numbers here, you add them. 2 plus 9 is what? 11. So it's two digits. You're not going to put two digits in the middle. Okay, you're gonna carry the 1, add the 1 to the 2 becomes 3, and then leave the other one in the middle. 319. All right. Okay, so practice with bigger numbers and see. This is first part of it. So we'll do more later on. All right, how do you multiply 30 by 20? Okay, I'm not worried about the zeros. I see 3 times 2 is 6, and then I have 2 zeros, 1, 2, 600. What is 400 times 90? I'm going to do 4 times 9, 36, and I count 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. 30,000. What if I want to divide 4,800? Let's say I'm dividing it by 600. Okay, I'm going to write it like this division here. Okay, and I'm going to take my zeros, 1 0 out, 1 0 out, 1 0 out, 1 0 out. I'm left with 48 divided by 6. What is that? 8. So how would you do 4,800 divided by 60? What are you going to do? It's 4,800 over 60. So now we start 1 0, 1 0. We don't have any more zeros at the bottom. So we have 480 divided by 6. So let's focus on 48 divided by 6 is 8. 8. And then there's a 0. So your answer is 80. Okay. All right. So we're going to be doing a lot of speed math. This is just the beginning. All right. I'll be sending you more exercises. Keep on practicing. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.